We do in our restaurant is Guatemalan inspired cuisine. We inspire our entire menu by Mayan book, the book of wisdom. It's called the Popol Vuh. So we take bits of the stories on this book and we translate them into our food. And yeah, I'm happy to be here. It's always it's always good to go outside of our restaurants and share what we do and to learn. It's always a good excuse to make new friends, to meet with old friends.
I'll tell you a little bit what we do back home. The restaurant is mainly focused on Colombian ingredients. Everything we do is just our compromise is to expose Colombia, exposures on ingredients of Colombia. So in a more approachable way. So we develop, we have tasting menu a la carte also, and we are gonna cook here a little bit what we do back home. So we brought a lot of ingredients from back home, so you can see a little bit what we do back there. So very excited to be here, and hopefully we have a very fun week.
I'm gonna serve my tasting menu, so I'm gonna be serving a little bit of Guatemala's history. As we say in a restaurant, we eat culture and we serve stories. That's what we're going to do. We're going to tell a little bits of stories of our country through our food.
We're going to make one like sharing dish, and we're going to make also, it's going to be like not a very long, like a tasting menu. It's going to be more like a kind of family between family and sharing style and tasting menu. So we brought a lot of unique ingredients from the Amazon of Colombia, and also some techniques that we use back home.